We have taken another example with degree 3 polynomial. Here it is 6p cubed plus p square minus 5p. As we did in the last video, we can factor p from all these terms. So once we do that, we get p, and then let's put square brackets. 6p square plus p minus 5. Then we get p times a quadratic function inside, degree 2 polynomial. So that is a familiar polynomial which we can easily factor using product and sum. So we're looking for two numbers whose product should be 6 times minus 5, which is minus 30. And sum should be equals to plus 1. Now, since we need sum of plus 1 and product of negative something, then the sign of two numbers should be different. So one has to be positive, the other one negative. Since the sum is positive, higher number is positive. Okay, now 30. How do you get 30? Factors of 30 are 1 and 30, 3 and 10, right? And 6 and 5. 6 and 5 can give us sum of, or rather difference of 1. So the higher number has to be positive. 6 is positive, 5 is negative. When you multiply, you do get minus 30, and when you add them, you get 1. So that is the magic number we are looking for. So at this stage, we can write our trinomial in this way. 6p square plus, what should be p written as? Combination of 6 and minus 5. So we have 6p minus 5p minus 5 as the fourth term. Now we have four terms. We can combine first two and the next two. So group them and then again factor. 6p is common from the first two. We are left with p plus 1. In the next group, minus 5 is common. So when you take minus 5 out, when you divide minus 5p by minus 5, you get plus p. That is it. And minus 5 divided by minus 5 leaves us with plus 1. Note the change in sign when you take negative number as factored. Now we can take p plus 1 as a common factor. So we get p plus 1, and here 6p, from there minus 5. So that is the factored form. Now we can write down our answer as p times p plus 1 times 6p minus 5. I hope that helps. And remember, if you have cubic or higher degree, try to factor the common things so that you can reduce them to quadratic and apply the strategies which you have already learned. So let's move on really with higher degrees now and see how to do when these common strategies don't work. The next one is with degree 8. Thank you.